Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of EasySMX wireless gaming controller. So the model that I have here is X05. This you can connect to your PC and Nintendo Switch. Also you can pair it with your Android devices because it has Bluetooth, and it also comes with a 2.4 gigahertz adapter. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you what we get inside the box. Now the color that I order here is in white color, which looks very good. It also comes in green color, but I really prefer the white color. So as you can see, we get cover for joysticks as well, and we get a USB Type-C cable, and we have quick start guide, which is in Chinese and English language as well. So do keep this if you want to look for some instructions like changing the RGB, because it comes with the RGB lighting, and it has Hall effect joystick, and triggers are also Hall effect. So the build quality is looking amazing, guys. Actually, in this price range you can get this for around 76 Saudi riyals, and you can buy this from AliExpress. Link is in the description, and you can buy this from their official store EasySMX. Looks very good actually, guys. The build quality, I'm really liking the build quality so far. So here is our joystick cover, and I believe a tape. So as you can see, we have RGB lighting, which has a ring effect. Looks very good actually on the joystick. And honestly, guys, if you talk about price, this is the best controller that you can get in terms of build quality as well. If you compare it to some other high-end controllers like Mechanic G5 Pro, it is really expensive compared to this controller. And on the back hand side, as you can see, we have power switch mode that you can change to Nintendo Switch or Bluetooth mode. You can also change it to 2.4 gigahertz that for the adapter that comes in the box, which I will show you in a few minutes. On the top we have USB Type-C port, and let me just quickly show you the adapter that we get in the box. This is the adapter, 2.4 gigahertz. You can connect this to your PC, and then directly you can connect the controller. And I also put the protective joystick cover. As you can see, looks very good. And the main thing, it comes free inside the box, so that is a plus. Because with Mechanic G5 Pro, guys, you don't get any joystick cover, and the analog stick gets really dirty. So this is a good thing that they provide us with this free cover, joystick cover. I'm going to be pairing this with my gaming PC actually, and unfortunately it does not come with the headphone jack, but also Mechanic G5 Pro does not have a headphone jack. I usually pair my Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So let me just quickly turn this on, and you can also change the RGB lighting by pressing the M button twice, and you can change it to a static color, or you can change it to breathing mode or fade, like that. They have different modes. So really impressed by the quality, guys. I'm really unbelievable that in this price range you are getting this type of controller, and also a wireless controller. To test this, guys, and let you know if you should purchase this controller or not. So after testing this controller, guys, playing Forza Horizon 5 and Call of Duty, I must say that go and get this controller. In this price range you will not face any issues, and you will be really surprised by the performance. I didn't face any latency issues as well while connected to a Bluetooth adapter in my PC, and I've also connected to a 2.4 gigahertz adapter that comes inside the box, and it was working really good. So didn't face any issues so far. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Link is in the description if you like to purchase this from AliExpress. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Allah Hafiz.